It's the SmartFlare. I finally found where to buy this thing, and I bought it. That's pretty cool. It's got different settings. And it's really bright. You can't argue that it's not bright. And that strobe is just really bright. The magnet could be stronger, because if you're working on a car or something, it's definitely just going to fall off. It's made in China. As you can see, it's already broken. It's not going to mess up the function of the light, but you know what happens when it's made in China? It comes already broken. You don't have to break it. See right there? Broken clip. When you look over here, battery case doesn't hold on too good. Batteries are really tough to get in there, but other than that, we'll see how long it lasts. Good idea. Made in China.